Hello! How are you to all subscriber of mine? Look, we have already na naman a supply. Grabe, super. Tatlo na naman to. I have 3. Snack ko because si Sisi kasi she wants always sandwich with cheese. This one. Okay, she like this one. And this one mix I bring to the school with some biscuits or corazon. Also, and my favorite. Okay. Oh, that one is from bakery. What's the difference this one? 2 weeks or 1 week that we can finish to use this one because every day. So that's really busy. Plus we eat also. Diba? Kaya ganon. So this one talaga lagi. Kasi ang lakas kong kumain din ito. Lalo na pag ano sa ulam. Okay? Kaya ngayon, tanghalian. So dyan ako kukuha ng pagkain. Tanghalian. Yan yata ako tuna o itlog. It depends kasi nagugutom na ako. I just finish also my work. Okay? So ganun. Ito yung mga yan ito. Yung cupcake. Okay. Ito talaga yung mawawala na ito. At hindi ko pwedeng itagal yan. Lalo na ito. 1 week, 2 weeks, so okay na kasi nagiging ano na rin to. May expiration rin yata yan. 2 weeks. Ewan ko. Made in Iraq ko, you see? Made in Iraq cake. Diba? And this one made by bakery doon sa yung pinuntahan namin. Doon yata yan. Okay. Kaya ganun. Ayan yun, hindi sinabi ni Sir naman yung clock. Imutan yata ni Sir yung clock. Okay. So, thank you again. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Sir. Thank you for the supply for us. For our daily needs. To go for our daily needs in the house. For the house. Kaya thank you. Thank you and thank you very much. Thank you to all subscriber of mine. Shout out to all of us, to all of you. Again, nationwide and worldwide. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I'm hungry kasi siguro. Kaya ganun. Tsaka hindi ako pwedeng maglakas ng boses kasi nandito si Sir. Okay lang kung wala. Pag ako lang. Kasi pwede ako mag-louder ng boses ko. Kaya ganun siguro. Okay, so once again, thank you talaga. Keep safe lagi. Ingat lagi sa kalusugan. And I wish that you can subscribe me. You can support my Simply YouTube channel. And thank you na you spend time to watch my videos and to subscribe me. And I wish that you like also and to share it with them. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you. God bless us all and bye.